Welcome back. This is where we are going to start this entire course together. And we are going to start from here. Of course, this is content creation strategies for coaches and trainers, how to grow your business brand or message with result focused content, how you can actually create transformational products in less time. Now, here's the system we are going to be working with. Here's a framework that we're going to be working with. We are going to be working with one, message methodology, meaning, markets, markers, modes, models, metaphors, movements. Message is basically what you want to say, and we are going to see how to actually develop a message from an idea. Methodology is what processes, principles, practices that people need to do in order to get certain results. Meaning is what this methodology and this message is going to mean to the people who are going to receive it. And then market is basically the people that you want to serve, the niches that you want to play in. And markers are basically the intentional testing opportunities that you create to execute on your methodology. And modes are basically the delivery vehicles you'll be using to get your message to deliver the results that you are promising. Models are visual imageries to make your message simple to understand and comprehend at a snap. While metaphors are mental images you can use to create references and to also let people join you in a discussion. Movement is how you get your message to go beyond you, to spread beyond you. Of course, a lot of coaches have a message, a lot of coaches have markets, a lot of coaches have models, but some of them, in fact, a lot of coaches actually lack many of these other elements. And so you are going to be learning that in this particular course. Now, why is this important? The main reason why this is important is because when you master this framework, you will be able to go wide. That is, you go from message to market to models. You go from message to modes to movements. You are able to go from just a single message. You're able to take it out to plenty markets, take it out to more people, and then you're also able to go deep, such that you are not just the peripheral type of coach and trainer. You are the type that actually goes deep, gets people the specific results they are looking for, and people are happy to pay you as well. So that is the exact framework we are going to be working with in this entire course. And I'm so excited that this is going to be one of the life-changing moments of your life. Once again, I am Dyer Samuel, and I'm going to see you in the next lesson.